Hey YouTube, this is me, Lars Record. On my previous video, I showed you guys a video on my HTC HD2 running Android with HTC Sense, and I gotta agree, it was pretty good. Everything worked, but I just got tired of it because battery issues was one big thing to me. Like, what's the point if I can just use it when I'm charging, or like pretty much in my house or somewhere where I have a charger, so I can charge it. But let's say you're gonna go to school or you're traveling, pretty much it's worthless because it's gonna die quick. So recently I discovered a new ROM. I tried one more ROM before this one, which was called the HT Desire HD ROM. The HD one, the new one that's gonna come out this fall. I don't know, like 2011, the fall 2011, I think, or the beginning. I don't know. But it's like a UK phone where it's like the Desire, but it's like Desire 2. Supposedly it's called the Desire HD, where it has a 4.3-inch screen like this one, and it's way better. It's like running, I think it's gonna run Android 2.3 or Android 3.0 when it comes out. I don't know. So yeah, I tried that one, but major feature didn't work. The camera didn't work. That's pretty much the only problem that I had. But I'm like, you know what? Too buggy, because it wasn't like the phone hasn't come out yet, and also the camera. So right now I'm gonna load a new ROM. It is the HTC Evo Sense ROM, the Evo 4G from Sprint. Yes, you can. There's like a bunch more builds. I think there's a MyTouch 4G build for HD2. There's like a bunch of builds for HD2, but I recently found this one, and it's pretty cool because every major feature works. So let's turn it on. So here we go. As you can see, I have a cool wallpaper running, and the first thing you'll notice is that the bar, like the battery status, is different. It's a circular battery instead of a normal battery, and it shows you the percentage. It's a little bit out of focus. Okay, so it's a little bit out of little fuzzy there. And then I have Wi-Fi on. Yeah, so you unlock it, and as we unlock it, I have a black. What's cool about this one is that well, it's like a minor thing that I don't like. It's not very cool, but the guy that made it made a black carbon theme. As if you don't notice the theme in the clock. It's a black carbon. It's like supposedly called black carbon, different from the HT Sense theme, the original one. I don't really like it. I like it. No big deal, but like, I wish he made a separate download where we can download the original one. But no, you can't change it to the original one. So you're gonna be stuck like this unless you change or unless you hack it and change it yourself. So this one's pretty cool. This one has every feature working. The camera works now, so that's pretty much why I downloaded this one. As you can see, the camera is working. Also, the video camcorder is working. Let me show you that the video camcorder is working. Let me show you that the camcorder works. Oh, there you go. Camcorder. And camcorder is working too. That's actually pretty good. Pretty decent. No. This I kind of like this build way better from all the other builds I had. It's very decent, very smooth, runs way smoother than all the other ones I had. Audio works. Let me show you the audio works on Pandora Internet Radio. No robot noises or anything like that. It's normal. So I'm showing you Blink 182 radio. So there you go. If you guys don't know that song, search it. It does sound like that. And for you Blink 182 fans, yes, that is the original. That is a song, party song. So yes, every feature works. Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi right now. I'm gonna show you that the internet works. Let's go to the internet. It's gonna go to google.com, and there you go. I'm on google.com right now. I cannot test the mobile data. I'm sorry, my phone isn't activated yet from T-Mobile. On Saturday, I will get my mobile data my phone mobile data working again, so I can text and use the phone. So pretty much, this phone is only good for applications and Wi-Fi. That's it. This is my messages. Social network like Facebook and Twitter, weather. Let's see what else. GPS. I can't test GPS neither because I haven't activated my phone from T-Mobile. But other than that, everything is, I do swear the GPS does work, and also the mobile data. If you can see here, this is a Evo 4G, which means that when you go to wireless and networks, you'll have the 4G setting. As you can see here, it says 4G and 4G settings. And on the original T-Mobile HD2, it is not run 4G, so when you can try to turn it on, but it's gonna keep on saying turning on, turning on, turning on, turning on. It's never gonna turn on. But mobile data, that's for the 3G, and yeah, so pretty much. And it's gonna say a lot of things for Sprint, because even though you're not on Sprint, because Evo is for Sprint. I recommend when you download, I'll give you the download link in the description below. But when you download, and when you really like create the 1 GB data file, no, yeah, when you create it, it'll take a long time. But when you open it, I recommend not. I seriously recommend not to calibrate the G sensor. Do not, because that pretty much damages the the auto rotate thing. Okay, that's weird. Okay, wait, I think I took it off. No. Hey, wait, let me try something else. Okay, there you go. There you go. Google. There you go. If you want that, to do it on precise command. Do not calibrate the G sensor, because then you'll pretty much fuck up everything. If you're gonna calibrate the G sensor, do it on Windows Mobile, not on Android. I'm sorry for my voice. I am a little bit sick. I'm sorry. Let's see what else. Phone does work. I just can't test it out right now. Let's see what else is there to show you. Bluetooth does work, but there have been problems saying that it doesn't work on some familiar headsets. I don't know about that because I don't use Bluetooth. But other than that, this phone is pretty darn good. It's I do have a problem with it already. The battery is very decent. It only wastes a lot of battery when you're using it, but when I actually turn it off, I mean do it on standby, it actually stays on that battery setting 3. So I won't waste battery, because on most of them, on my latest, on other builds, when I put them on standby, it would still run in the background, and before you know it, I would try to turn it on, and then it's dead. That's one thing I hated. But on this one, I don't know. I can't say that it doesn't do that, but I left it like this for like 2 hours, I think, and it was still on the same battery percentage number. So I'm like, oh, thank God. Maybe the battery issue is solved, or maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. But other than that, this build, the 04G build, is pretty decent. It is good. The camera is working with 5 megapixels. On the Desire one, I only showed you guys running the camera with 3 megapixels, even though the HD2 ran at 5 megapixels. But now, this is a 5 megapixel camera. This is a 5 megapixel camera that came with the original. So this is actually pretty good, very good update. I'll give you a download link in the description for those. And what's cool about this one is that on the other one, I forgot to tell you guys that the 3G worked on the other one. My previous vid is just that I just set it up manually. Yeah, you had to set it up manually by going to mobile network settings and then going to access point names and create a new one by clicking this button and then this button in the middle and clicking new APN right there. On this one, it actually does it for you, T-Mobile US. So that's actually pretty good. So you can already start using your mobile data connection. But I don't know if that works. So you can try doing what I did last time and do a new one, or you can use that one. I can't test it right now because I don't have mobile data, like I said. So let's do a check on the voice on a speaker, show you that the speaker works. So let's say something simple like YouTube. YouTube, there you go. As you can see, it actually read my voice even though I was sick. But other than that, this actually is a very good build. No problems, as you can see. Runs very smoothly. So I really recommend using all the builds. I recommend using this build. There's only one problem, one minor problem, or a big problem if you're an Angry Birds fan. Yes, you heard it. Angry Birds does not work. The game doesn't work. It's just that when you install it, it always says installation unsuccessful for some reasons. Even on the new Angry Birds Seasons for Christmas version, it still does it, which I do not understand. I seriously don't understand why. Like, every app that I downloaded works so far, but when it comes to Angry Birds, I can't do that one. Maybe it's specifically Angry Birds, or maybe I don't know. Notify me if any other app does not work. But other than that, oh, the hotspot works. It's pretty good. Let's see what else. I think that's about it to tell you. So yeah, this is Larry for tonight. If you like my video or if this helped you get a better Android build, please subscribe and comment. Tell me, or I don't know, or comment saying if there's problems, or comment if you have any questions. Please leave them below in the comment section. And that's about it.